All right, I want to show you how you can do this on a calculator. Now, this is this program. This is an app on my iPad, and I have it on my iPhone too, but called Calculator Infinity. All right, and so let me show you. Now, your calculator might work just a little bit differently. Okay, I gotta adjust my screen slightly. There we go. Okay, so now you can see everything. So let's suppose I've got two equations, and x and y, and I need to solve for both x and y values. Okay, so what I can do, cursor is way up here, okay, is let's suppose my equation is 2x plus 3y, and then I got to push this equals at the bottom down here. So on this particular calculator, there's two different equals. Okay, this is the execute. Okay, so when you want to execute, find the answer to something, you push this. This sets up a logical EQ, which is what I've got right here. So 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. And then I got to put a delimiter in there so it knows this is a new equation coming along. And let's say that this is going to be 5x minus 6y, and that happens to be equal to 10. Okay, so I've got two equations here. All right, it happens one has a positive slope, one has a negative slope, so I'm guaranteed that there's a solution. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to click this execute equals down here. All right, and it's going to give me my answers here. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, just like that. So it shows me what it did, and I'm not real sure what this stuff is here, to be honest, but anyway, it gives me its answers right there. Now, your calculator may do, like if you have one of the TI versions, there's like a solve function, and you should be able to use that to do the same kind of thing. I don't have one of those calculators. I never have. So I can't show you how to do that, but I'm sure other students can do it and could tell you if you want to learn from them, or just Google solve function on your TI. I do want to show you one other in case you don't have a super fancy calculator. All right, and that is here on Wolfram Alpha. Okay, so Wolfram Alpha is a really cool site. All right, and this is its name, Wolfram Alpha. And so it's got a bunch of stuff here on it, and a lot of what's here is free, which is pretty cool. So you come down here to the algebra button, click that guy, okay, and then it'll do all, it'll say, oh, I want to solve a polynomial equation. I want to do let me scroll down a bunch. Anyway, it just does a ton of stuff. You could have a good time just trying to check things out and figure out all the different stuff that Wolfram Alpha will do. But let's check it out here. We're going to get two equations. And so I'm going to use the same equations I had on my calculator. So 2x plus 3. Oops. I was actually pushing it on my calculator instead of my, I need my computer keyboard. So I need 2x plus 3y equals 0, comma, and my other equation was 5x minus 6y equals 10, okay? And then over here's our execute, boom. And there we go. Okay, let me scroll down. It shows us quite a bit of stuff here, just like this. Okay, so here's our two solutions right here. All right, now it's pretty fancy, and you can see it actually gave us a mathematically correct looking answer. So we could come over here and say approximate, like this, boom, boom, and then that's what the calculator gave us as well. Okay, so if you want a decimal number, you can do that. All right, so exact form, okay, approximate form, just like this. Here's actually they're both functions, and here's their point of intersection. Anyway, so you don't have to do all these things by hand. Obviously, you can't use Wolfram Alpha on a test, but you could use your calculator on a test to work that out. Okay. Just thought you might benefit from seeing that. And there you go. A little bonus video.